Hi friends, myself Aniket Renavikar, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. In MCOM Validation of Real Estate Program, the topic is in Building Construction subject. The topic is a glass or introduction of glass. In that we can see the objectives, introduction, composition of glass, properties of glass, various types of glass. In that soda lime glass, potash lime glass, potash lead glass, common glass types, and commercial forms of glass. So today we see about this glass. To understand the function and ability of glass as an engineering material, to know a different types of glass available and its their dimension is the objective of this topic. For the glass is a mixture of a number of metallic silicates, one of which is usually that of an alkali metal. It is amorphous, transparent, or translucent. It may also be considered as a solidified, supercooled solution of various metallic silicates having infinite viscosity. For the composition of glass, it is not a single compound. It is therefore very difficult to give any particular chemical formula for it, but with reasonable accuracy it may be generally expressed as X2O ByO 6SiO2, where A and B are number of molecules which should be used. There are various properties of a glass. These properties are mainly governed by factors such as composition of the constituents, state of surface, thermal treatment conditions, dimensions of specimen, etc. For the properties of glass which are made for glass and popular and useful, if it absorbs, refracts, or transmits light, it can take up a high polish and may be used as substitute for very costly gems. It has no definite crystalline structure. It has no sharp melting point. It is affected by alkalis. It is elastic, but when the elastic limit is exceeded, it fractures instead of deforming. It can be blown, drawn, or pressed. It is extremely brittle. It is not usually affected by air or water. It is not easily affected or attacked by ordinary chemical reagents. It is possible to intentionally alter some of its properties such as fusibility, hardness, refractive power, etc. to suit different purposes. It is possible to obtain glasses with diversified properties. The glasses may be clear, colorless, diffused, and stained. It is possible to weld pieces of glass by fusion. It is transparent and translucent. There are various types of glasses which are used in normally in construction or any other purposes. There are various types of glasses in the soda lime glass, potash lime glass, potash lead glass, and common glass. For the soda lime glass is also known as soda glass or soft glass. It is mainly a mixture of sodium silicate and calcium silicate. Its properties is it is available in clean and clear state. It is cheap. It is easily fusible at comparatively low temperatures. It is possible to blow or to weld articles made from this glass with the help of simple sources of heat. This soda lime glass is used in the manufacture of glass tubes and other laboratory apparatus, plate glass, window glass, etc. Next type of glass is a potash lime glass. It is also known as Bohemian glass or hard glass. It is mainly a mixture of potassium silicate and calcium silicate. This potash lime glass is fuses at high temperature. It is not easily affected by water and other solvents. It does not melt or so easily. This glass is used in the manufacture of glass articles which have to withstand high temperatures such as combustion tubes, etc. Next type of glass is a potash lime lead glass. This is also known as flint glass, or it is mainly a mixture of potassium silicate and lead silicate. In that name indicates potash lead glass, means potassium silicate and lead silicate. That is the in this glass it fuses very easily. It is easily attacked by aqueous solutions. It possesses bright luster and great refractive power. Its specific gravity is about 3 to 3.30. It turns black and opaque if it comes into contact with reducing gases of the furnace during heating. These glass are used in the manufacture of artificial gems, electric bulbs, lenses, prisms, etc. Common glasses, that is the bottle glass. It is prepared from cheap raw material. It is mainly mixture of sodium silicate, calcium silicate and iron silicate. It fuses with difficulty. It is brown, green or yellow in color. It is easily attacked by acids. It is mainly used for a manufacture of medicine bottles. There are various commercial forms of glass, that is sheet glass. It is made by the blowing process of glass fabrication.